오랜만이야 10년이면 강산도 변한다던데 넌 말이야 얼마나 많이 변했을까 궁금해 기억을 잃어버린 도리에게 사랑이란 그저 fantasy 그래도 한땐 01243 둘밖에 없던 멜로드라마 주인공 자체 꽃길에 나란히 걸었지 노을이 지는 언덕 위에 우린
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last video. I know there's so many things happens behind the scene, and if you're new here, I'm Tanya. Nice to meet you. My husband Pak with our cat Haine and I moved from Bangkok to Boston to build a coffee business, Newbury Street Coffee Roaster together. So today I have so many things to share with you and update, and I'm very excited about it. The first thing is, you may see on the thumbnail, Pak and I are expecting a baby. Not yet. We also finally found a space to open our dream cafe together. Yay! It's been a long time. We have been trying to find a place for over a year now, and finally we got a spot. And before we dive into all of that, I would like to thank our today's sponsor, Linjer Jewelry. If you have been following my journey for a while, you probably know that Linjer Jewelry has been supporting my channel for years. They were actually my very first sponsor, and I'm very grateful to have an opportunity to work with them again this time. With Mother's Day coming up, it's a perfect timing as a mom-to-be to give myself a little gift, don't you think? And as you can see, there's so many things happens, and we are going to a new chapter soon. We also doing apartment hunting right now, finding a new bigger place, and I will keep you updated on that too. During a time I'm kind of disappeared, I also went back to Thailand and went to Seoul, so the travel videos of that trip are coming soon. Today we're going to have a dinner with our friend, and this is what I picked today, all the new rings. I really like it. I don't know why I kind of love wearing rings on my index finger nowadays. It just happened, and I think this one is perfect. Very minimal, everyday wear. This one is so pretty. And for the gender review of the baby, we already know the gender of the baby though, but I want you to guess. Let's guess in the comment. The sauce is very good, right?
Cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. But I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me. About our love, she gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. But I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me.
Okay, I will try yours
Okay,
now.
try mine first.
It's very brown. Hi everyone! Let's catch up a little bit. I actually told everyone already that we are expecting a
Okay.
baby. So the first question would be, how do you feel? Like on the first day and today? Like, is there any difference? And yeah, what do you feel?
First day when I know, I think I was very excited because I always wanted to have a baby. Gonna be very lively to have kids around, so we can go play more stuff, we can go hiking more, we can do some outside activity and everything. So I'm very hyped to hear on the first day, and I feel like it's a gift. As for now, how I feel, I get even more excited because the due date is coming up very soon, and a lot of people start to know more about that we are having a baby.
I'm not the one who know first.
Okay, Heinet know first.
I didn't know first.
Yeah.
So to tell you more about the stories, she barely never sit on my lap, but she always sit on Pac's lap. But that week, before I take a pregnancy test, she actually sit on my lap for like 3 to 4 days straight. Even Pac was at home, which is very weird. I even asked her like, are you okay? Why you sit on my lap like so many days? And a week after, I decided to take a test. I found out we have a baby, and then Pac knows after. I told Pac, and then I told my sister, and I told my family. And yeah, so Haine is actually the first one who knows. Next, let's talk about our cafe. I also update everyone that we got a spot for our cafe. Yay!
Yeah, so Café, we're very excited. We've been wanted to have a shop for a while.
I think we have been searching for over
More.
a year. We have been to many locations. Some of them we really like it, but some of the small things is not working out, I would say. So we decided to pass. The one that we got, we pretty excited.
Yeah, Boston coffee scene have grown so much, and we are a puzzle. I think we hope that we could make some movement for everyone to grow together in Boston of coffee scene. So I'm very excited to see how far the coffee scene in Boston would go.
And another thing is, we're going to have sour bread every day.
Yeah, everyone asks for sour bread every day. So finally, everyone in Boston, you're gonna get to have sour bread every day with the soup and cream.
Last thing is about apartment hunting. Oh my god, you guys, it's been a journey. Like, finding the location for the cafe is hard. Apartment hunting is also very, very hard. We actually did apartment hunting last year as well, but we didn't find anything that we really like. So we decided to stay in our current place. Right now, the baby is coming. We have to move to a bigger space. So it has been very hard because we want to move in June, the inventory is not that much right now. And we also have a cat and we also have a car, so our condition is pretty niche. And because of the baby, I'm not sure, maybe in the US, not only in Boston, your apartment is actually has to be deleted. So a lot of houses in Boston, they are pretty old, so we have to make sure that the unit, the house and the apartment, they are deleted and it's not gonna be harmful for the kid. So we're still working on it, and I may make another apartment hunting video for you guys, or if you have any question, let me know in the comment.
Don't you know that I got you? Quit it out with this nonsense. They don't know about a thing. 잠깐씩 오가도